Ang hirap na talagang maghanap ng affordable na bahay dito sa Santa Rosa, di ba? My name is Jun Yambao, your property consultant here at the Rose Point Subdivision. Kay Rose Point, meron tayong affordable na single attached, complete with 2 bedroom, 2 baths, may spacious balcony at may carport. Located at Barangay Tagapo, malapit sa mall, schools, and hospitals, and also malapit din sa SLEX na very accessible. Low down payment and true bank financing. In 12 months, move-in ready na ang unit mo. This is pre-selling, mabilis unlike ng ibang pre-selling project. In 12 months, move-in ready na ang unit mo. So tara, tingnan natin ang sample unit natin dito sa Rose Point. Welcome to single attached unit dito sa Rose Point. So, ito po yung ating fasad. So, yan, makita nyo po. So, then, pasok po tayo. But before we enter inside the house, so, tingnan natin itong exterior ng ating unit. So, dito po is a concrete carport. Upon turnover, ganito na po siya. Then, we have here, space. So, very applicable for your laundry. At the same time, if you want to have the kitchen here, so very ideal siya. Then at the same time, we have space here. So ideal naman siya for kung mahilig ka sa halaman. So pwede mo siyang tamnan ng halaman. Okay? Then dito, we also have space for your garden. Okay? So then pasok na po tayo. So upon entering, so bubungad sa atin yung ating living area. So this is our living area. But by the way guys, upon turnover, this is an open space. So nasa inyo po kung paano nyo po siya i-design based on your family needs. So dito pwede kayong mag-enjoy with your family or pwede kayong mag-bonding with your family members. So we have here we have here the window. Then same with this one. So may window din tayo dito. Then, by the way, ito wala to pagka-turnover, guys. Okay, may nag-comment kasi sa TikTok natin na yung masyadong bulky, which is true naman, masyadong malapad. So, nakakaagaw space nga naman. So, tama po yun. Then, we have here our first toilet and bath. Then we have here our kitchen. So this is our kitchen. Then dito, meron tayong door. So ito yung access natin for our service area na pinakita ko po kanina outside. So yan. Then, by the way, bago tayo umakyat, we're done on the first floor. So naka 60 by 60 tayong tiles. Then, on the second, starting from the stairs, naka-vinyl na tayo. So, tara, akit po tayo. So, again, yung mga steps natin dito sa stairs is naka-vinyl na siya upon turnover. And going with the second floor. Now, we're here on the second floor. So, on the second floor, we have the 2 bedrooms and another toilet and bath and spacious balcony. So, let's have the first room. So, we have here the first room. So, very ideal siya with your kids. Then we have here our toilet and bath. Then we have our master's bedroom. Then lastly, ito yung isa sa mga pinakagusto ko dito kay Rose Point. Bakit? So we have here spacious balcony. So sa spacious balcony natin, so meron na siyang stainless handgrills with tempered glass na siya. So very ideal to kung meron tayong bisitang friends and family or relatives. So very ideal siya. So yun lang. Huwag mo nang hintayin na tumaas pa uli ang presyo. Secure your unit now. Please message me. Again, this is Jun Yambao, your property consultant here at the Rose Point Subdivision. Bye-bye!